Two countries. Two worlds of opportunity. But one goal: building wealth. If you're a beginner wondering how to start investing in the USA or UAE, this is for you. Investing isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and creating a future you believe in. Whether you're in Times Square or downtown Dubai, the path starts with your first step. Let's take it together. Part 1: Understanding investment basics. Investing is the act of putting money into assets that grow over time, like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. In both the USA and UAE, the core principles remain the same: start early, stay consistent, and let compounding do the magic. Part 2: Investing in the USA. In the US, beginners usually start with ETFs like S&P 500, Roth IRAs for retirement, brokerage apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. The market is mature, but even small, regular investments make a big difference. Part 3: Investing in the UAE. In the UAE, most residents begin with real estate. Dubai properties are tax-free income generators. National bonds, low-risk and Sharia-compliant. Global ETFs via apps like Sarwa, eToro, or IBKR. Plus, no capital gains tax. Part 4: Common mistakes to avoid. Don't chase hype. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on long-term wealth, not overnight wins. And most importantly, always do your own research. Part 5: Conclusion. The earlier you start, the better your future becomes. No matter where you are, Dubai or Detroit, the power of investing is in your hands. Start small, think big, and stay consistent. If you liked this video, subscribe for more aesthetic global finance guides.